Nagpe-pray ko na sana okay yung tahi ko, guys. Pero feeling ko okay naman na siya kasi hindi na siya masakit. Kasi for being yung, third degree tear, sabi nila, buti daw ako nakakalakad agad. Kasi yung katulad ng ganito yung dati namin. Kaso hindi siya nai-strap. Yung strap niya maiksi. Hi guys! Welcome back! Pupunta kami ngayon sa ospital kung saan ako nanganak kasi meron akong 2 weeks appointment. Titignan nila yung tahi ko. Hinuga-uga ko to kay, para hindi siya umiyak. Yan ang gusto niya. Bibilhan din namin siya ng bouncer ngayon na pagkatapos namin pumunta ng ospital. Ladaan kami ng, dun, isa sa malaking NEX dito sa Virginia. So siguro sa Norfolk siya. Pupunta kami doon para bilhan si Ellie ng bagong bouncer. Kasi yung bouncer na binili ng kaibigan namin sa registry namin, hindi siya yung tawag nito. Ewan ko, si Tavis kasi naglagay na hindi siya yung okay, hindi siya maganda kasi hindi na-strap yung baby sa bouncer. So, ni-return namin, kaya bibilan namin siya ng bago. Oh, yan ang gusto niya, inuuga-uga siya, oh. Diba? Kanina, naghilak-hilak siya. Ngayon, na. Alright. Alis na kami, guys. Gala talaga si Ellie, guys. Tulog na naman, oh. Ang init ngayon. What's the temperature, babe?
75.
75. Grabing init. Parang summer.
It's hot.
Yeah. Kaya hindi ko siya binalot ng ngayon, ng onesies kay mainit talaga. Pero may blanket naman ako in case na medyo lumamig mamaya-maya. Tsaka may jacket siya sa bag. Tulog na naman, oh. Gala talaga siya ba? Andito na kami, guys, sa parking lot. Nagpe-pray ko na sana okay yung tahi ko, guys. Pero feeling ko okay naman na siya kasi hindi na siya masakit. Kasi for being yung, third degree tear, sabi nila, buti daw ako nakakalakad agad. Buti daw kasi sa unang araw, pangalawang araw ko, tas pangatlong araw siguro, grabe, hindi talaga ako makalakad ng ayos. Parang alam mo yung parang bagong tuli, yun. Ganun ako maglakad noon. Tapos, hindi ko kasi siya tinignan kung okay na siya yung tahi ko. Hindi ko tinignan sa salamin kasi ayoko tignan. Pero feeling ko okay na talaga siya kasi kada maghuhugas ako tapos magpupupu or ihi, wala akong sakit na nararamdaman, ganun. Tapos, ayun, tsaka feeling ko dry na siya. So, tignan natin, malaman natin ngayon.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, natapos na yung examination or evaluation ba tawag nila na. Sabi niya, tinignan ko ba daw yung ko sa salamin. Sabi ko, hindi. Hindi ko tinignan kasi natatakot ako. So sabi niya, ano sa palagay mo, magaling na ba or what? Sabi ko, I feel better. Feeling ko na gumagaling na siya. Tapos tinignan nila. Sabi niya, you're right. Sabi niya, you're taking good care of yourself daw. Ganun. Ground ba yun, babe? First floor. So yun guys, punta kami na NEX. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Punta kami na NEX, tapos maghanap kami ng bouncer ni baby.
It's nice out.
Oo, ang init ngayon. Naka-jacket pa rin ako.
It's really nice out.
Si Ellie, grabe behave ni Ellie. Hindi namin siya nilalagyan ng pacifier, guys, kasi ayaw namin siyang masanay o ayaw namin mag-start ng pacifier. Siguro gamitin lang namin siya in case of emergency. Diba?
Better bouncing around.
By the way, guys, kaya pala kung merong 2 weeks appointment kasi normally 6 weeks appointment lang daw. Ganon. Kaya pala kung may 2 weeks appointment after ko manganak kasi nga malaki daw yung napunit, 'di ba? Kaya kailangan nilang tignan after 2 weeks. Pero buti na lang talaga okay na yung tahi ko, guys. I'm so glad. Dito kami, guys, naghanap ng bouncer. Wala sila masyadong choices.
This is $59.
60.
It's listed for 87.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I was thinking like.
Is that the right, Baby Delight Go?
Yeah, Baby Delight Deluxe Portable Bouncer.
But that one is
Baby
different.
Delight.
Go.
Hang on.
That's a different one.
Baby
That's,
Delight Deluxe.
yeah,
No,
that's a different one.
Deluxe Portable Bouncer.
Yeah, look at the difference.
No, it's the same one.
It's the same thing?
Yeah.
Really?
Look. The thing.
Why they put 87 here?
I don't know. The seat says 59.
Oh yeah. Do you
It's
like
gotta
that
be
one?
that. I mean, it's probably discounted. It's probably on sale. They
Maybe.
probably have a price checker around here somewhere.
Oh, they do.
I mean,
Yan yung mga ano
I
nila.
don't want to wake her up, but
So the same lang pala siya. Lumang price pala yun guys.
yeah,
Pero
it was 90.
ayan. Ito na lang siguro bibili namin.
If we don't like it, we bring it back.
Yeah.
We bought one and she hated it. Like, and it was terrible.
Ito kasi yung katulad ng ganito yung dati namin. Kaso hindi siya nai-strap. Yung strap niya maiksi. Pero ito, madali lang siyang i-strap. Oh. Tapos ma-adjust din.
Hey.
So, ayan na lang bibili natin guys. Grabe yung mga baby stuff nila. No? Napakamahal talaga. Itong high chair.
Man, this is nice.
Meron kami
It's
nitong
got
Graco.
shocks on it and everything.
The what?
These bobs.
Really?
Like, yeah, look at those shocks built in there.
Nice.
Nice.
May mga high chairs sila. Hindi pa magagamit ni Ellie yung high chair niya kasi hindi pa siya kumakain ng hard food. Pwede siguro pag ano na siya, mga
Oh, nice. I like that one too.
pag mga ilang months na siya. That one?
That's nice. Look, so for the toddler,
Yeah.
if they're facing you,
Last
Okay,
one.
not
It
facing
says
you.
last one.
then you can just bring it back.
Oh, that's a baby trend too.
Uh huh. We can. We'll bring it. There's plenty there.
And meron kaming scratcher, guys. Meron silang gantong scratcher dito.
When does it?
22, so
Ooh,
tomorrow.
so we're
So we have to use this scratcher. Meron silang mga scratcher kapag ka merong tawag nito occasion. Like St. Patrick's nung nakaraan kay binigyan nila kami niyan. So may expire siya ng tomorrow. Kaya kailangan namin gamitin. Ayan, mga baby ano.
Oh, babe, look.
What?
This one's got everything in it.
Oh, hey, are they gonna send us one?
No, we have to buy a new one. But look, this one's got a basket.
Meron din kaming ganyan, guys. Nireturn din namin kay nabad trip si Travis, hindi ma-assemble ng ayos tapos hindi matupi.
Look, it's got a bassinet in it too.
Oh yeah, I've seen that
That's kind of nice.
on TikTok, yeah. And it has that thing up there. Look at that,
I'm too short. I can't see.
right?
Oh, they have a zip tie.
Mhm.
What is this? What is this guy here? So it's got a canopy on it.
Mhm.
It's got a flip away changing table.
Yeah.
Shit, it's got a changing table.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Removable full size bassinet. Storage, travel. That's nice.
That's nice for traveling,
I want to see what's the flip away baby changing table.
right?
Oh, dude. Oh yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. What is that?
It's supposed to be the changing table.
Do you have to put something so it won't, ano?
Yeah, you must. It must have.
Yeah, cause tingin naman tayo ng mga damit. Ito yung mga clearance nila, guys, pero halo-halo man ata to. Malalaki pa siya. Ayan. May na-receive si Ellie galing sa ano niya. Sa grandma, isa niyang grandma. Tita ni Travis. Mga damit, mga malalaking damit. Ito, meron siya nito. Medyo may kamahalan pa rin siya. Hindi ko alam kung reduced price na yan or meron pang 25%. Kasi nakalagay price as mark, o diba? No additional discount applies. So, ayan na yung price niya. Mga medyas. Tulog pa rin. Nakakatuwa lang si Ellie. Ang bait talaga pag kagala. Hindi talaga siya maingay. Tulog lang yun siya magdamag. So, bibili namin yung bouncer, guys. Tapos, magtitingin ako ng mga damit doon. Maghanap ako ng damit no na pang
That same one is
what? How much is
Baby
it?
Delight Alpine. It's the same price, $59.
Online?
Mm-hmm.
But we get discount here and
Yeah.
it's non-tax.
And you can still bring it back to any NEX.
Right. Andun yung mga damit na yan.
I'm
So
thinking,
pupunta ako muna
even if she
doon.
cries
Maghanap
in
ako
this
ng
one, we can
mga...
at least secure her.
Yeah.
It's got good reviews on Amazon.
Okay. Maghanap ako ng damit na pang ano, pwede pampadedek. Kasi ang hirap magpadedek kapag yung damit mo is walang ano.
Alright.
Hawi na kami guys! So yun lang ang ating vlog for today. Tulog pa rin si Ellie. Tignan nyo naman. Tulog pa rin. Naglaway-laway si Ellie. So yun lang guys ang vlog natin for today. See you again next time. Bye!